Welcome back to Dollstar Diecast. Got a Thursday night Johnny Lightning show tonight. Let's crack 'em. Okay. Look at this 2-pack first. American Heroes, Johnny Lightning. There's the card art. And there's some heroic facts. As of 2021, there are around 665,000 full-time police officers in the U.S. And dogs have 225 million scent receptors in their noses, as compared to 5 million in humans. This is just one reason that the canine units are used to detect crime scene evidence. And there you go. It's the Jeep Cherokee XJ Florida State K9 unit and the 1997 Chevy Tahoe Texas Highway Patrol. And here's the back. Some more stuff if you'd like to read it. And there's a few more 2-packs you could get. Let's open it. Okay, here they are. Let's take a look at the 1997 Chevy Tahoe first. Texas State Police. Texas Department of Public Safety. Got your stock rims and tires. Rubber, treaded. And this one says its name on the bottom. 97 Tahoe. That's probably the tool number. That looks a little out of whack. Rolls crooked. And here's the front. Little chingy on the hood right there. Not so cool, but you do get deco on the front. Push bars. Light bar on top. And deco on the rear is nice. There it is. Okay, now we'll look at this Jeep Cherokee. This one does not say what it is on the bottom. Does have the tool number, rubber tires. Looks like the stock rims. But this is a K9 unit. Pretty cool. And there's no dog in the back. They must be out on patrol. But just in case, beware. Police work dog. Cool deco on the front. I don't know, does the hood open? I don't see it opening. Sometimes they fake you out. No hood opening. Florida Highway Patrol though, state trooper. Better back off. Unit K9. Pretty cool. And up next, we'll look at this one. 1951 Hudson Hornet. Card number 2, release 3. Get the chip with it. Get a clue. Detective game. Clue facts. Mrs. Peacock is a widow who continues with an extravagant lifestyle despite her lack of funds. This two-door club coupe features the step-down Hudson design Hornet design introduced by Hudson to the post-war American automotive scene. Here's the back of the card. There's the set. I believe I got a couple of them. It's open. There it is, the 1951 Hudson Hornet. This thing is sweet. Even though it does have all that deco all over it. I like it. Yeah, just imagine it without it on there to appreciate it. Peacock license plate. Cool deco on the rear. Get the clue. Cool rims. Rubber tires. And front deco. Does the hood open? It does. Sweet motor. Those are clues. Sweet deco on the side. Great paint job, except for the deco. The tampos. Window's off right there a little bit. Huh. Air. Doors don't open. But let's take a look at the interior. Oh, that looks cool. Big old bench seat in the front and back. And you do get the door panels. It's really cool. Rolls pretty good. And there it is. Hudson Hornet. And sticking with the clue, we got another one. It's release 3, car number 6, the 1980 Toyota Land Cruiser. There's the card art. Clue fun facts. Professor Plum is an archaeologist with a thirst for adventure and maybe a bit paranoid. From 1960 through 1983, this off-roading classic easily handled dirt, steep inclines, and rocks with improved clearance and increased horsepower and torque. And we've already seen the back, so let's open it. There it is, 1980 Toyota Land Cruiser. Professor Plum. Clue deco. Kind of a... Okay, there's Professor Plum. Did it with the dagger. Cool deco on the front. Off-road tires look sweet with the rims. Tool 918. Hood does open. Sweet motor. It's not closing so tight now. That's all right. Here's the back deco, Professor Plum. Pretty cool. Check out the interior. Looks like there's a glue, drip of glue in there. Hmm. Okay, now you can't see it. The dash looks cool. Steering wheel's alright. Nothing in the back. Pretty cool though. Professor Plum. And up next is the car that I didn't have on my last show. I got it for this one. 1973 Pontiac Grand Am. My last Johnny Lightning show, I should say. This is one of 15,800. Built on an A-body platform, the Grand Am was a hybrid between the Grand Prix and the Firebird Trans Am. In 1973, the base price of the new Grand Am was $4,263.50. Well equipped with the 455 cubic inch V8, air conditioning, and other upgrades, it was still less than $6,000. And it's Mesa Tan, the color of this one. And here's a quick look at the card. I already opened all those on my last show. Didn't have this one, so let's open it. Okay, here's the Pontiac. Doesn't really say on the bottom. Like I said, you gotta have the card. But sometimes the license plate gives it away. Grand Am. And this one's got some problems on the back there. My thumb. Ouch. Cool decal on the rear. 455. This is Grand Am right there. Your stock rims and tires. And I do believe the hood opens. Okay, well this one's not gonna open, but I showed the other ones. Here's the front. Cool deco up front. Nice. And let's check out the interior. Black dash and steering wheel. Plain dash though. And cool front seat and back seat. Got the hood open, but it's only opening that much. So take a look. Pretty cool though. There's the Grand Am. And up next, got this one. the Munsters Dragula #1 out of the set. And it's a Trivial Pursuit car. I'm not going to read that, but the chip looks cool. Let's open it. There it is, the Dragula. Pretty cool, from the Munsters. Pretty sure Grandpa raced Herman. There's the cockpit. Opens up, cool. Dragula. Cool lights on the back. This one's got a lot on the bottom. Rubber tires. Trivial Pursuit on the tires. Little mini rubbers in the front. On 1367, died. Nobody knows. Because he's still alive. Look at that motor with the organ pipes. Super cool, Grandpa. Dragula. Sweet. Last one. Gonna be a collector tin. Storage tin. There's the car. There's the tin. It's the 1994 Pontiac Firebird Trans Am 25th anniversary. And there's some collector facts. Designed to improve fuel economy. The 6-speed transmission is saddled with the 1st to 4th skip shift feature. This is Arctic white color. Here's the back. A few other tin collectors you can get. '22 card. Let's open it. Okay, here's a 94 Pontiac Firebird Trans Am 25th anniversary car with the storage tin. Goes that way. Let's take a closer look. '25th Trans Am. Sweet. Plastic tires. That's a bummer though. These things usually come with plastic, which is not my favorite. '25th anniversary plate. Cool decal on the rear. Stripe on the top looks cool. Hood doesn't open. Let's take a look at the interior. Oh yeah, that's cool interior. Nice. Door panels look cool. Back seat. Two-tone black and gray. That's pretty awesome. Or white and gray. Or white and black, I mean. That's white, not gray. Sorry. Very cool. Alright, that's my show for tonight. Thursday night Johnny Lightning show. Let's do a little close-up. Okay, there they are. Let's take a closer look. That's the Tahoe. And the Jeep. K9 unit. And there's Herman's car. Monstermobile. Wants to race Grandpa. Pretty sweet. Be a good race. I think Grandpa wins. And there's the Hudson Hornet. Clue car. The 80 Jeep. Clue car again. And the 25th anniversary Firebird. Pretty sweet with the collector tin. And the Pontiac Grand Am. That's my show for tonight. Thank you for watching. Thank you to all my subscribers. I really, really appreciate all of you. I'm getting very close to 500. And we're going to have to send out a package to somebody. So stay tuned. And until next time, this is Dollstar Diecast. And we're out for now.